everyone, this is Shirley. I'm not sure where the camera, I think is. Okay. Hi everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamminw with Yarn. Hey, I'm going to try to do a video every day this month. And it will be a quick one, I hope, because you guys, we're all busy. And so, what I want to start with is, I got my package from Christy Cooks, okay, and it's an Advent project box, first time ever doing this, and I just finished watching her video to show or tell us what to do. She has the list here, the T-Doddles Maker Avid Calendar, and so project number 1, days 1 through 4. I didn't bring my glasses. Package together and some individual days have and see through. Okay, so I know the first thing is we're going to put the book together. This is, I think she said you don't have to open it, and I will not open it. I'll put it under my tree for me. And along with this, I am doing a sock opening. And I bought 2 boxes. You might have already seen these, but you haven't seen them with me because I bought them last year on sale. That's how I do it. So it's 12 on each one. So we got 24 days of socks, and I'll open a pair of socks and see what we get. But for November, well, let me get back to what I'm saying. Project 1 day, and this for days, this number here. Let me see what mine's is, the type of paper I have. Oh, it's a lot of good stuff. Okay, oh, and she supply you with everything you need to get the project done. So, this is number 1. Oh, okay, this is number 1. Oh, a lot of little stuff in here that I'm not going to show you. Okay, and this is the junk journal. I like this color. So, let me see, really this is. So, I have, as she said in the video, this is the back side. It has her logo on it. And I can put the papers in order as I want. It has some small little papers to go with it. I guess I'll find out what that's for. Here is the rings and the 2 paper clips. The colors that I got are the colors that I have. Is that piece of, well, this one looks like cardboard maybe. A thick piece of cardboard. Oh, I have this gold, which is nice. Right here. This one here. This pretty color here. This one here. A nice brown. It's like 2 pages. Wrote it together. And another one. So I will be putting mine together. And I'll show you the results. Hopefully at the end of this video. But before I do that, I'm going to show you what I got for November. Okay? I try to buy from small makers, and I didn't get much. I didn't get much of anything. But first, not to beat up the Postal Service, but I was trying a mystery box, I guess you would say it, and it was from 2 blind brothers. And so this is, I have to send this back. It came to me like this. This is where I got it from Post, like somebody punched it. And looked in it, because you can see there's a fold here. And so I don't know what was actually in here, if everything was in here. So they told me to send it back. I'm going to do that, and so I'll be opening this later. And this was twoblindbrothers.com. Thought I'd try something like that, but something I did get that I really love from a maker on YouTube, and from, I don't know what else he's on. But anyway, Matt's Crazy Arts, and I've been watching him for a very long time, and he's on YouTube. He has a channel. He has a channel here on YouTube, and he was doing, like, he was making it, and then he was numbering it, and then you pick which one you want, and I picked this one here. This was number 1, the first one he made, and it's really beautiful. Can't remember exactly what type of stone this is. If you can see, it's really beautiful. And so this is what I got from him. Reasonably priced. Shipped and here very quick, you know. So that is very, very nice. So that is one of the things that I purchased from a maker last month. That is my November. This I also purchased from a maker, and this maker is Pancakes Creativity, and this is for my granddaughter. So if you're watching this one, turn away. My youngest granddaughter is an artist. She really is. She can sing, she can draw, and she's been doing that her whole life since she was a little baby. And so I thought this would be up her alley. I brought the scissors that do not work, right? Okay. You know how you don't want to mess up your good scissors. And it is a Black Girl Magic coloring book. And so she loves to draw. I thought this would be right up her alley. Okay. A few shots. Nice braids. Beautiful braids. No braids. This one is really nice. Notice a lot of them have the same face almost. Almost. A few of them that I flipped to. The different hairstyles that we like, young folks. Okay, that's a different style. So this is from her. And please go check her out. This was on Instagram if you have Instagram. And it is volume 1, illustrated by Dorothy Gilbert. Okay, so this is one gift. And I received a card from Laura in New York, I think. I took her information off of here. And I got your card, Laura. First card of the year. Love and peace. Look at that. It's beautiful. Love, peace, and joy. Very nice. I like. And yeah. So, I may have to find somewhere to put this. Put it with my Snoopy. Then now, let's pick out which. Let's do this one. You want to do this one? Yeah, let's do this one. Day 1. Okay. Here we go. Day 1. What are these? They're women. Check socks. If you can see the color of that, definitely be sporting these. Unless it get really, really cold, then I have to put on some thick socks. Yeah. Okay. Can't see that, but there they go. Anyway, so that was day 1. Is right here. Now I will be back with my finished project. Okay, so I put mine together, and I just put the cardboard, one of the cardboards as my first page. Then I put the purple. Then I put this colorful one here. I put another, this brownish tan maybe color here, 2-page. And I put another piece of cardboard here. Put some red. A striped little line or looking brown. I don't know. That's what it looked like. It's not lined. And the back right here. And then I did get some extra pieces. I'll find out what we do with them. Because I'm not really a creative person. Okay? Really, I'm not. So these 2. These 3 here. And some extra. And I assume everyone's different a little bit. Yeah. And I just think I'm going to save this because I might use it as part of mine. So that, oh, I forgot one. Okay, forgot one piece. Have to put this in. So that is the end of day 1. Good to see you guys. Thank you for coming back. And I will try to keep it short. Take care until tomorrow.